So today I'm going to be doing like a video, like a simple alternative style guide. I'm not like an expert or anything, but I see a lot of people like asking in like alternative groups like how they can make a very simple piece of clothing look alternative, or maybe they don't have the spare funding for buying brand name stuff for alternative looks. I mean, it's entirely up to you how you wish to, style your own stuff and how you spend your money. So I'm not going to dictate to anybody how to spend your money, but I will give you some hints and tips. This video might be useful, you might not want to watch it, it's entirely up to you, but there will be a little lookbook style bit. I'll put the time code in the description, or the timestamp in the description if you just want to skip ahead to that. Yeah, so let's get on with this video. Okay, so I've got some outfits behind me if you had not noticed, and I've also been doing a lot of clearing out, so there is some boxes and black bags and stuff. Yeah, you'll figure that reason out probably later on while I've try on the clothing, and also you'll work that one out. Anyway, so as I was saying in my intro, this is like a video for people who maybe are not really wanting to commit to spending a lot of money on alternative clothing, or you could use this as a guide, or maybe you could use this if you're somebody who would like to explore alternative clothing. This is not going to be aimed at like a specific fashion, it's just a very overall, so you can adjust it to the way you want it to serve you. So if you want it to be more grunge, you can go more grunge. If you want it to be more industrial, go industrial. If you want to go cyber goth, go cyber goth. So yeah, there is so many different alternative styles. I like to consider my style kind of casual alternative or casual goth. Okay, so yeah, so the outfits I have behind me are from very common places that you can easily get access to. There's shops such as Nasty Gal, Misguided, Boohoo, and also EMP. The only thing with EMP is they have a variety of brands, so there will be a large price range. As for the other places, most of the items I have behind me have cost me less than £20. Some of these items have cost me like a couple of pounds, just because I've picked them up really cheap. So also like look at places such as eBay, and also check out like charity stores. I know in the lockdown we can't really do that right now, and it's really difficult. And most of the items I'm going to show you are very basic pieces. And while I'm chatting, the other thing as well is, if people are wondering, like, oh my god, why are you buying so many pieces of clothing? Most of the stuff is actually really old, or I think only one of the dresses is currently new. Let's just say my size has kind of changed, but like I've already said, you will figure that one out later on in the video. So let's talk about these outfits. Okay, so this is the first outfit that I have here. It is a two-piece that I've kind of created here, and this particular dress and this top that I have here to go with it is actually from Nasty Gal. So it was in the sale and it was very, very inexpensive. It is a split midi strappy black plain dress. There's no details or anything on it, and I have a v-neck white t-shirt which I'm planning to put which I'm planning on adding to this. Now what's really good about a piece like this is you can change the underneath piece to whatever you want. So it could be a mesh top, it could be a fishnet top, or you could change it to a colourful pattern top to give it variety. So that's the really good thing about investing in a very simple strappy style dress that you like. To add to this, I'm going to add in some bits and pieces. I've also got some accessories and belts that I'm going to add on, which I'm going to show you in the next little clips that I've already pre-done. And then I'll show you the overall look once I put it all together, do a lookbook with it. But this is the first outfit, and it's really, really simple. Also with this one, I think I might actually add a oversized boyfriend type shirt with it, because with this kind of style, this alternative kind of look, you can layer things up, which is great fun, and also you can use it for a variety of seasons throughout the year. So yeah, so this is quite a nice classic kind of look. Normally I prefer to wear a black mesh underneath, but I thought I'd be different and try the white t-shirt. So yeah, so let's get on with this one. Okay, so we're going to look at the next outfit. Now this plain short-sleeved maxi dress is from Nasty Gal, and this is a chain that I think I got from eBay. I can't remember, but it's like a men's curb chain. It's really heavy and really nice quality. Again, that actually only cost me like £9 or something, so yeah. So very, very plain. It does have a bit of a emperor line, I guess. And to show you the back, I'm actually going to be pairing this with a piece which I can't remember if it's from Pretty Little Thing or Boohoo or one of those shops. Had it for a while, like I think it's from last year. It's a Boohoo piece. We've got it here. It's on the tag. Thank goodness. Yeah, so it's got this really cute, like, image of like the sun and moon. So I'm really liking that, and it kind of gives a really nice witchy vibe. I think with this outfit as well, I might pair it up with maybe like some really cute boots and possibly a belt. And maybe I might consider wearing a hat with this one, just to give it more of a floaty witchy vibe. The kimono style or mesh cardigan has got these really nice see-through short sleeves, so it's all kind of going to tie in really nicely, and it is just a really, again, it's such a simple dress, but I'm adding the layers onto it to make it more interesting and more alternative. Really, once you get the hang of this is so easy to do. And again, none of this is like brands like Disturbia or Killstar or any of those places. This is all very simple, easy access shops that you can get to, especially online with this lockdown. Okay, so this is the other outfit that I have that I want to kind of create into a style, and it just looks like a big mess right now. So underneath all of this I have a vest type style dress that is a low high dip hem. It is plain, there's not absolutely nothing on this. Now this one's from EMP and it's the brand Gothicana. I think I said that right. It was a little bit more expensive than the other dresses, and it came in around about £20. It's very, very thin material, so just so you know, but it's going to be perfect for spring, summer, especially with it being this kind of scoop and like vest style top. I can layer under it or I could layer on top of it, so it does give you a variety. So as you can see, I've already picked out the top that I plan to use with this. It's a long sleeved one, so that would take any chill off, and I think I said it's a mesh one. And I've also made this one a little bit more edgier or a little bit more interesting we have got some harnesses to try on the top, and I've also going to attempt this lower leg harness thing and see if it goes with this outfit. I'm not entirely sure, so it might not be in the finished look. And I've got some other chains and stuff that I thought might work. So that is like the third outfit that I'm going to do a show and tell. Show and tell, that's like so school. Lookbook with this outfit here. Okay guys, so that was the overall looks with the 3 outfits that I kind of pulled together, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, that would be amazing. And I'm hoping to do a couple more clothing videos, and I've got a couple of unboxing kind of videos coming up too, so if you're into that, please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll know when my next videos are up. So till next time, I'm going to catch y'all later.